Ever dreamt of photographing a tiger in golden light? I'm Rakesh Dhareshwar, wildlife photographer for over 2 decades, and I'm hosting an exclusive photo tour in Pench National Park, Madhya Pradesh. There are safaris, and then there are curated wildlife experiences, private guidance, strategic safari planning, advanced fieldcraft, precision light positioning, and capturing powerful wildlife images the right way. Small group, personal mentoring, real time feedback in the field. So, if you're serious about wildlife photography, this is your next step. You won't just photograph wildlife, you will understand it. So, join me in Pinch.